Hello, in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make gift tags using shipping labels. It's really quite easy. You will need, I'm going to use a heavy matte gel, but you could use a gel medium or a Mod Podge. And then you need some collage materials. I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm using this book page that I did some printing and painting on. And I only need the smallest amount of paper, and I like these old book pages because they rip quite easily, and then I get a softer edge. So I'm going to make a number of these strips. This will be kind of random, and I like making these tags. I think of them as really small compositional studies, and it's something that's nice to do when I don't feel like investing in a bigger painting. Okay, so that ought to be pretty good there. Then I get a tag, and off I can move it up and down and rip off a section that I think maybe has more interest than some of the others. And I usually think of it like this whole page. I could use that entire page, so then I have a series of small gift tag studies using all of that handmade collage paper. Okay, that feels about right. I'm not going to do the entire sheet of paper. I'll make these. I'll just do these. So here's what I do. I like to use this Catalyst rubber spatula. Glue my piece down, scrape over. That's layer one. And the matte gel just has a really nice sheen that it seems to kind of melt into that surface. This is another activity, even that it's really small. I find it helps me get into a creative flow state, just doing these small compositional studies. Okay, so that is stage one, and I could just leave them like that, and that would be fine. I could add more paint. I could do drawing on top, or I'm going to add some gold paper, a little bit of embellishment, just a little touch, because I've got copper and silver in there. And often I'll just cut some random shapes out of the collage paper and then see what looks good. Okay, and so that's basically it. And then depending on who you're giving the tag to or what you're using it for, I'm using it for some handmade gifts. So I printed a bunch of these out, handmade with love for you. You can paste that on the back or whatever else you may wish to write. And it's a little mini masterpiece, little work of art that will make your packaging look extra special. Okay,